Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Tech. In this video, we are diving into the world of Node.js and setting it up in Visual Studio Code. If you are new to JavaScript development or just need a refresher, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First thing, let's head over to the Node.js website. So we just need to open our browser first and then go to the nodejs.org, nodejs.org, and hit on the enter button, and it will redirect to a Node.js homepage, and you may just need to click on the download tab. This is the download tab, and here you may find some versions of Node.js. So you just need to click on the pre-built installer because we are going to download the installer first. This is the installer, and there are many versions here, like this is the current version, and one more is the version that is LTS. So LTS stand for long term support, and this is more stable and more convenient for the most of users. So just click on it. This is the version 20.16.0 LTS for Windows and also for Windows 64-bit. Here you may find it includes the npm version, which is 10.8.1. So just click on the download button and it will start download for you. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. Just click on the next button and click on the I accept terms in the license agreement. Click on the next button, and this is the directory where the Node.js is going to be installed. So just keep in your mind, this is the directory, because sometimes if you are not able to run your Node.js programs, so we just need to add the path on environment variables. So then we will need it. So just keep in your mind, this is the this is the path. Click on next button, and just click on again next, and after all click on install button, then yes, and it will just start installing some mandate files. Here you may see the Node.js setup wizard has been completed all the components. So just click on the finish button. To make sure Node.js is installed correctly, open your command prompt cmd, or you may just see here a node.js command prompt. So I'm just going to open command prompt for Windows, and we just need to type node space double hyphen version and hit on enter button. Then it will show the current version that is installed on your system, that is version 20.16.0, and also that is the 20.16.0 on the website. Here we have successfully installed the Node.js, and one more thing is there, we need to also check npm version by typing npm space double hyphen and version, and this is the version that is that has been installed on our system. So both the node and the npm version has been installed on our system. So just move to our next step. So I'm going to create a folder that is node projects, node projects, and open this folder in VS Code by just clicking the right button, and here we find the open with code. This will directly open the folder in your VS Code. This is the VS Code, and here what we need to do, just click on the new file. No. So now here what should we do? Now we need to create a Node.js project in VS Code. So let's create a new Node.js project. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by just clicking on the terminal button and click on the new terminal. It will open a terminal for you. In the terminal, initialize a new Node.js project by typing npm space init. If you just type this line and after that you hit on enter button, it will ask for some prompts. If you don't want to get the prompts filled by you. So you just use space hyphen y. It will automatically create a default package.json file for you. So just hit on enter button. Yeah, here you may see the package.json file has been created with this command line. Yeah, so the file has been created, and let's create a simple javascript file to test our setup whether it is working or not. Just click on the new file and type app.js. This is our javascript file, and in the file we just need to type console.log bracket hello node.js. So this is the simple output that we are going to get, and you may just save it before run further task. And here you may find the play button here that I have installed it earlier from the extensions. So you may also use it by just going to the extension tab and search it for code runner. It will help you to run the code directly. Yeah, this is the extension that I have installed in my system, code runner. So it will help you a lot. So again, just come to the point. So this is the a simple program that I have, and to run this code, go back to the terminal. This is the terminal, and type here node space our app name, that is app.js, and hit on enter button, and it will print the relevant output, that is hello comma node.js. Yeah, we have got the output here. And one more option is there to run it by just clicking on the run button. Yeah, if you click on the run button, you will get the output in the output section. Yeah, here. And here you may see you don't need to type any line of code if you want to run your node.js program. Just like hello node.js, it's working. And again click on the run button. It's again showing hello comma node.js because I haven't saved it yet. So just save it by just clicking on the file and click on the save, or you may just use the shortcut key control s and again click on the run button. Then it will show the updated output. Yeah, hello node.js, it's working. And one more thing is there, if you are getting any error, like you are not able to run your first program, or also are not able to open the node.js on your cmd, and it is showing error like this. So you may just need to set the path on environment variables that I have asked you to remember it. That is the path. Just go to your this pc c drive and the program files, then node.js. This is the node.js, and copy the path from address bar. This is the complete path. Copy it and search for environment variables. This is the environment variables. Click on it. Again click on environment variables here and set the path. Click on edit button and just click on new button and paste the path here, and just click and just hit on enter button. This is the path. Okay, then again okay, then click on again okay. And if you try to run your node again, then it will not show any error. Just restart your cmd first. Cmd, open again, and just type node. Then you will be able to find the installed node.js version on your cmd. And that's it. You have successfully installed node.js, set it up in Visual Studio Code, and ran your first program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or any suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.